My name's Brian Farr, BFAR Contracting. I'm a general contractor, roofing contractor, electrical contractor. We focus mostly on residential re-roofs, commercial multifamily exteriors, and roofing on the multifamily space, and then all types of roofing on the residential side. When it comes down to the people, I think we got the right people and the right amount in the right places. We're at 55 in-house employees right now, and we've been on a positive trajectory for the last 6 years, and we've grown every year, year over year. What's really helped with our growth is understanding people inside our team and our customer base, and having continuous meetings to make sure that we're kind of up to date with everything that's happening inside our company and forward thinking to what could be coming down the road. So really just trying to make a good game plan and making sure we're sticking to it. I've been in Central Florida now for 43 years. Through those years, we've created a lot of relationships. One that we started with was with Salvation Army. We do the Angel Tree with them every year. I have a foundation that was started in my daughter's name, who passed away too, and that's the Maddie Farr Foundation. And through that, we've helped a lot of special needs kids out with scholarships for swim schools. I care about my employees from the bottom to the top, all of them, and you know, there's times where I know they can do it without me, but having positive encouragement and support, I think, helps them, you know, achieve more than they could on their own. So, what inspires me every day is just my people.
My name is Paul Wheeler. I'm the owner and president of Blue Water Telecommunications. We are a utility construction and contracting firm based out of downtown Orlando here. We work construction-wise statewide in the state of Florida, and then our engineering teams work nationwide. A good description of our projects are, let's say that a municipality has a road that needs a turn lane added, or a new building is being constructed in an area and they need to run new fiber or power utilities, gas utilities to that building. We'll be contacted by the municipality itself or the private entity to run the utilities to them, design the permits, and basically hand them the keys when everything's ready to go. We are currently about 42 employees, and we've got 3 office locations in Orlando. Our annual revenue for last year was about $9 million. This year we are projecting to be about $12.5 million. Culture of the company is very important to us. If our staff, if there's a family emergency or anything, just do what you got to do. If you need to leave right then, if you need to walk out of a meeting, just give us a heads up. We're very understanding. We hold company events where all families invited. Barbecues, we'll go to Topgolf, bowling, Christmas dinners we do every year. So we really try to cater to each of the employees that we have. Success long-term for me with Blue Water, doesn't matter anything about the money, so to speak. I mean, we all need it to operate, but the more people we can support within our staff, that's a metric that I look at as far as how the company's successful.
My name is Shamil Abdurrahmanov. I'm CEO of Caliber Freight, Florida-based trucking company. At the Caliber, we specialize on hauling live honeybees. I've been doing trucking with my partners, I would say, more than 7 years. I started as a driver, and then I continued as a dispatcher. And then, you know, finally I opened my company. I would say, of 2023. So we're relatively new in the market.
My name is Tudor Lazar. I would like every single customer that I'm working with to understand how we work and to see what we do with the bees. And the bees, I think that's the most beautiful thing and the part of the job that we are doing. Every single day we are meeting new challenges, we are meeting new obstacles that we're taking with the confidence that we like to face it, like to challenge it, and just taking it.
My name is Julian Luca. I'm the finance manager and one of the partners. Florida is the largest bee grower state in the US. And we move them all year around from Florida to California, bring them back. From last 2 years, our fleet is like 35 semis. Our revenue jumped to last year over 5 million. This year should be around 8 or 9, something like that. It's really encouraging and to make goals to grow and grow and grow bigger and to expand.
My name is Moody Hamden. I'm the CEO of AD Solutions. AD Solutions is a workplace technology provider that serves throughout the state of Florida for businesses, medical offices, law firms, nonprofit organizations. We work a lot with government agencies, and mainly we like to focus more on our local communities throughout the state of Florida. We started off on selling Sharp electronics or Sharp branded copy machines, anywhere between your desktop printers all the way up to a $500,000 Sharp product. And then we morphed into VoIP solutions, IT services, digital signage, and software solutions is one of the other things that we've launched recently. We are at 76 employees, including our contractors. I would say in 2020, we were about 5 million, and right now we're upwards of about 16, 17 million a year. We work a lot with local communities in Central Florida, and our employees volunteer every month to go to these organizations and help support. And we've been doing that for quite a long time, and that's one of the things I think that helps drive not just our company, but also the community. It's very unique, and it's something that we're very proud of. Every day that we come into the office, not just executives, but the employees, we look at it that we're always the underdog. So we are always feeling like we need to be better. And in order to be better, we have to continue to work together as a team. And for us, it's not a number where we want to be. It's more of how far can we go to get to where we want to be. And I think that's something that drives us as an organization.
My name is Harry Arnan, president of Arnan Manufacturing. We offer 5,000 adhesives, sealants, precision dispensing equipment, and UV LED systems, servicing industries such as aerospace, defense, automotive, electronics, and more. Arnan technologies are used in applications including space, fighter jet, nuclear submarines, and more. We are the world leader in ammunition sealant technology and application equipment, and in specialty impregnation resins for graphite bipolar plates for the fuel cell technology. Central Florida has been an ideal home for us, close to a space center, major defense companies, and perfectly positioned for export to Latin America. Our inspiration comes from our customers. Every challenge they bring pushes us to innovation and improvement. Our culture is built on loyalty, teamwork, and innovation. Many of our employees have been with us for decades, and together we are building a stronger future. Looking ahead, we are expanding our product line, investing in R&D, and growing internationally while staying true to our core values: great product, great service, and great people.
I'm Shannon Humphrey. I'm the Vice President of Administration at MBI Direct Mail. We are digital marketing and direct mail full-service printer. So we started out as a full-service printer back in 1989, and most recently in the past 3 to 5 years have developed into a digital marketing agency as well. Our digital marketing team, they concentrate on email blasts, social media posts, SMO, website development, SMS and MMS, text messaging, you name it, they can do it. In the next 12 to 24 months, we plan on increasing our volume by more than 40% in just direct mail, and then also increasing our volume for our digital. Right now, MBI has around 75 employees. About 50% of them have been there 10 plus years. That's an amazing statistic. It's just great to see the longevity, and because we've all been together so long, it feels like a family. It's an amazing place to work. MBI loves to give back to nonprofit organizations. Organizations such as the Wishmakers, UCP of Central Florida, the Good Samaritan Clinic. We love giving back to the community. We were founded on the 24-hour turnaround. So from concept to print to in the mail, we can do it within 24 hours. To get that through our building, it takes a significant amount of communication. Without good communication, that process isn't going to go well, and 24 hours may not be possible. But we have really been successful in making that happen.
My name is Evan Thune. I'm VP of Operations at Premier Pools of Central Florida. We're a custom residential swimming pool builder Been serving the Central Florida, Greater Orlando area for the last 30 years. We really just specialize in luxury custom pool projects. We currently have 16 full-time employees. Last year, we did about 18 million in revenue. Our target this year is 20 million in revenue. We're not looking to become a large volume builder by any means. We still want to focus as much as possible on building the best quality product that we can and giving the customer the best experience, but we do want to have a growth mindset. The culture at Premier Pools Central Florida really comes down to accountability. And we meet on a quarterly basis. We all discuss our objectives for the next 90 days. And it's really helped create transparency within the company on top of accountability. The community is our neighborhood at the end of the day, and we want to be as involved with it as possible. And not only just through sponsorships, but actual participation as well. So that's a big thing for us. The thing that I'm most proud of is the team that's been built at Premier Pools. It's really an incredible group of people, and we couldn't do anything or had the growth that we've had without that team. And having a team like that isn't easy to build, and it's not easy to retain either. All of us working together so cohesively and really providing that exceptional experience to the customer is something that I'm incredibly proud of.
My name is Blake Petrunik. Live in Lake Mary, Florida. Our business is Lake Mary, Florida. It's a Carestream group of companies, which consists of two companies, Carestream America and Christie Medical, which are both medical manufacturing and distribution companies, primarily to the United States, but there is an international component to our business. Our greatest opportunity is getting our innovative products into the marketplace. We try to develop with our partners innovative products to change the industry, not just to be a Me Too product. And it's a challenge to get those products into the industry because it is game changing. Our company consists of 40 odd teammates, and we also have a bunch of 1099 sales reps around the country and some international distribution representatives out of the UK and around the world. We try to foster entrepreneurial spirit to where people want to make things happen themselves. So that drives both success internally as we continue to grow and make things happen versus in the field, how hard they're working. A couple times a year, we provide bikes to the foster children of Central Florida. We support that through monetary and bicycles. We also do a couple other charity events locally for around the Christmas time. I've always been an optimist to the point that, we know we're going to have failures. That's life. Learn from it and adapt. Not everything we do works. I wish it did, but that doesn't happen every day. All I know is if you have the right people to get the right information, you'll make a better decision tomorrow and go on from that.
Hi, I'm Laura Kellogg. I'm the president and CEO of Curious Jane. And our company is an advertising agency that's based in Lakeland, Florida, and we specifically focus on franchise brands. The number one thing our clients are looking for when we're getting to know them is strategy. They really want an agency to come alongside them and help them strategically figure out how to grow their business, what to do different, how are they going to set themselves up against the competition, what's going to be a breakthrough for their brand that really makes them differentiated. All of them want to grow and they all want to add more franchises. And there's a lot of competition. There's a lot of brands out there. And so I think one of the biggest challenges is how do we help those franchises continue to grow and find the right franchisees for their system. And then once they're in, how do we help those franchisees be successful? Our company has over 50 employees and we're growing. We just made the Inc. 5000 list last year, which we were very excited about. And we are continuing to be on a very big growth path. One of the core values at our company is commit to growth. And for us, obviously we want the company to grow, but we also want our people to grow. We want them to grow emotionally, mentally, spiritually, financially. And that really has been probably one of the biggest compliments we've gotten is really having a resource for our employees because we do care about them outside the agency. We do care about their success. So that's one of the things we talk about a lot is what are we doing to commit to growth to our employees, not just in the business world. What inspires me as a business leader is people. I love people. I love who we get to work with. I love our customers. I love our employees. That's really why I do what I do every day.
My name is William Benner. I'm president and CTO of Pangolin Laser Systems. What we do is that the laser shows that you see all over the world, whether they be the amusement parks, Disney, SeaWorld, Universal Studio, whether they be the rock concerts you see, Katy Perry, Justin Timberlake, Trans-Siberian Orchestra, whether it's the Super Bowl halftime show, movie special effects, the lasers that you see happening everywhere, all around the world, all of those laser shows are done with the equipment that we manufacture right here in Sanford, Florida. It's not just laser shows that we do, but also laser scanners for industrial applications like 3D printers and self-driving cars and medical microscopes, and even in space, we have laser scanners in space. We're always expanding this laser scanner product line. So in Sanford, Florida, we employ around 45 people right now. Last year's revenue was close to $30 million. The business grows every year, and typically is as much as 25% per year. The culture really is one of service to the customers, keeping your head down and doing good work, and leaving the drama home. The challenges are those that are presented to us by the customers. There's no single personality, it's just a wide variety of personalities, and running the business, we've got to we go in knowing that we don't know what to expect, but we're there to help them anyway.
I'm Sean Casey, CEO of SA Casey Construction. We are commercial general contractors here in Central Florida. We specialize in industrial work, but we also do retail, office, and metal building work. We've grown from a small $700,000 a year company to now almost $25 million a year. We've done it slowly and securely, and we're looking forward to many, many more years. The culture of our company is family. My son is involved now. People have been there for many years because we want to keep you there. We want you part of the family. People like to work there. It's exciting. We're engaged with everybody. We try to do different things outside the office as a team, and it's really worked for us over the years. I always believe that it's important to give back, and I want my team to be givers. We help Kiwanis raise money every year for Next Step, about $15,000 a year. We just had a golf tournament last week that raised $5,000 for the Kiwanis Foundation. So we do a lot through Kiwanis with our company. Construction is a difficult business to be in. There's so many variables. You got to have the right people, and we really look for the type of people that can handle it, who want to be part of our team, and we try to treat them the way they want to be treated.
My name is Mike Morgan. I work for Comprehensive Energy Services. We are a mechanical company. We also offer plumbing services. We also provide our own line of controls, making the systems work most efficiently in the buildings and spaces that we are in. We've been in the theme park industry, as well as we've been in hospitals since the 90s with the same clients. In the mechanical systems that we're doing, if you're waiting in line for a ride and you feel air blowing on you, that's CES. If you feel a fire flame effect and you feel the heat, that could be CES's work. In hospitals, we do a lot of med gas work, which is great. Those are life-saving measures. Those are many of the services that we offer. Our culture is award-winning. We're very family-focused and provide a good atmosphere for everybody. We try to look at work-life balance. The old saying, work hard and play hard. The power is in the people, always has been. Without the people making things work, you can't run an efficient company. It's best to be motivating and cultivating the culture that we need in the company to have us succeed. We have key initiatives that we give to. Advent Health is one that we've given to for 33 years now. Camp Thunderbird, that would be giving back to the less fortunate kids. We have always been very philanthropic and motivated to give back in the community. It's important.
My name's Gustavo Lozano. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of LQ Construction. I'm 26 years old. We specialize in partnering in new construction, commercial and residential. We focus on site work, structures, and land development. So we have a wider range of communities or programs in terms of single-family home building, and we oversee just under around 5,000 units a year in terms of concrete, masonry, framing. And that is 85% of our business in terms of partnering with large national tract home builders, which is volume, community here, community over there. So right now we manage just under 50 professionals, and that's composed of management and operations. We think and we operate like a Fortune 500, but when you walk in the door, it just feels like family. I feel like it's been one of our greatest drivers for attraction. And I think all of our people are also very excited to be with us. And the vision of I want more and more and more, and those people want to be a part of something special. One thing I've learned throughout my 9-year career, no matter how good I am of an executive, no matter how good I am of a concrete finisher, a truck driver, a mason, my relationships, and I do recognize this, has taken me very, very far in my professional career and in my personal life, that I think my talent could only take me to here. Relationships have taken me here. Get involved, get in the room, network, meet people, take risks.
My name is George Anthony. I'm the Vice President of Operations and partner with Poli Construction Incorporated. We're a general contractor. We do a lot of work for Disney, Universal, the City of Orange County government. We do a lot of work with them. And then we have some private clients that renovate some buildings that they buy, etc. We don't have a niche of ground ups or renovations. Our niche is actually building relationships. It's what we're good at and what we believe in. And one of our main core values is always improving. And that's more focused towards the employees and ourselves of always improving professionally, but also personally. Right now we're at 35 employees. We do have roughly 18 field carpenters that help us with in-house. They help keep the projects moving and stay on track. This year we did roughly $45 million in gross profit with about a 11.7% net profit. I would say there's 2 big risks that we've taken as far as to get where we are today. I would say the first risk is establishing our core values and deciding that we're going to focus on relationships and not just bidding anything and everything to keep work going. And I would say the other part is actually, as a team, taking 10% of our profits quarterly and investing that back into the employees. But it did pay off, and we're receiving the benefits of just a great culture and people who actually want to be with us because we truly invest in them.
My name is Matthew Van Til. I'm the VP of Sales here at Threat Locker, based out of Maitland, Orlando, Florida, focusing on a proactive approach to security, going from a default allow, which is traditional security, to a default deny, changing the focus of security. What we are doing is focusing on a different approach. So we basically block all applications, we block all new software, and only allow what's trusted, what's needed in your environment. So allowing your employees to do what they need to do and nothing else. We work with small organizations, which could be a family office, up to the large big name brands that you might hear of that are hundreds of thousands of employees as well. Right now we're about 600 employees. We're quickly outgrowing our current space right now, looking for additional space to grow into, to double, triple in size over the next coming years. So the culture at Threat Locker has been a huge reason for our success. Finding those team members that are driven, that are goal focused, that are looking to grow their careers and not just be stagnant in where they're at and take a paycheck and go home has been pretty much the reason why we've grown to what we are today. Finding the team members that want to learn about cybersecurity, that want to learn about a new industry, that want to take a new path, and then giving them the resources and the tools and the ability to do it. We do a number of different webinars, training courses. We host our annual Zero Trust World here in Orlando every year. We also focus on education. So we do a number of different hacking labs, trainings, using the tool Threat Locker. So that's the reason why we're able to be so agile and move so quick, is everyone's always learning, constantly asking questions, and trying to grow their knowledge in the industry.
Tony Morelli. I am the President and CEO of USSI Global. We are a service and solutions company that predominantly focuses on media communications. We help customers that range from media broadcast to doing installation work for major quick serve restaurants, as well as some of the emergent technologies such as low Earth orbit. We have been installing and been a logistics provider where we have 4 logistics centers globally. Our customers have been with us for, in many cases, a couple decades, and they like doing business with us because if they have a problem that they're trying to solve, USSI usually is able to come up with a way to help them resolve that and help them grow. We don't only like just to come to work every day, but we also like to give back to the community. So we do food drives, company food drives, as well as an angel tree. We just recently completed a 5K corporate run, which was for a great cause in Melbourne, Florida. USSI Global has a little over 200 employees. Over the last 5 years, we have seen significant growth. But we're also looking at the culture and the value side, because you can't do the growth side without the culture and value side. So having those two things merge are essential to be able to get to the next level.
Environmental Products Group, EPG, is a leading provider of infrastructure and environmental maintenance solutions across the Southeast and the Caribbean. Founded in 2002 and headquartered in Apopka, Florida, EPG supports municipalities, contractors, and private businesses with advanced equipment for sewer inspection, street cleaning, vacuum excavation, and more. EPG stands out through its expert service. Their factory-trained technicians offer diagnostics, repairs, fabrication, and mobile maintenance, keeping operations running efficiently and minimizing downtime. With over 130 team members across multiple states, EPG also operates EP Rents, providing flexible equipment rental and rent-to-own options. Focused on performance, sustainability, and community impact, EPG is proud to help build cleaner, safer, and more reliable infrastructure for the future.
Custom is a national leader in property restoration and disaster recovery, headquartered in Longwood, Florida, with operations across North America. For over 50 years, we've been a family-owned and operated company, dedicated to helping communities recover from fires, floods, storms, and other disasters. We deliver full-service solutions, from emergency response and mitigation to reconstruction and complete rebuilds. Recognized for our unparalleled customer experience, attention to detail, and quality workmanship, Custom is the premier name in disaster restoration. We serve commercial, industrial, and residential clients, bringing skilled professionals, advanced tools, and proven processes to every job. Safety, efficiency, and craftsmanship are at the core of everything we do. But restoration is about more than structures. It's about people. That's why we approach every project with urgency, care, and respect. At Custom, we don't just rebuild. We restore lives, property, and peace of mind.